Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and here's another quick tip. So normally we would use the Wrapit Loom for Wrapit Loom bracelets. But if you remove this back piece here and go ahead and slide that all the way off and set that aside, I'm going to show you how you can use it to stabilize your macrame pieces. Now I already have a piece started here, but let's say yours just has that little loop on it. Well, what we're going to do is we are going to attach it to this loop right here on top where your rubber bands are to secure the jaws of the Wrapit Loom. And now you're free to kind of pull back and you'll have nice tension and you can create your square knots. Now, once you're a little further in your design, for extra security, go ahead and remove that and you can put it in the jaws the same as we would a Wrapit Loom bracelet. So now again, we can give that a nice little tug and pull on that and it's not going to go anywhere. So again, we have that nice stable platform to create our macrame square knots. I hope you enjoyed this little tip. You can see even more and get all of these supplies by heading over to Beadaholique.com.